If you're a new parent, aunt, or grandparent searching for that one toy set that actually helps your baby's brain grow, stay right here. Because today, we're unboxing something that goes way beyond cute. This black and white sensory toy set claims to stimulate your baby's senses, boost motor skills, and even build emotional comfort from day one. It's like a mini gym for your newborn's mind, backed by science and designed for real-world play. But the real question is, does it actually work as promised? Let's find out. 1. The science behind black and white magic. Newborns don't see the world the way we do. For the first few months, their vision is blurry. They can't distinguish pastel colors or complex patterns. But black and white? That's their visual superpower. High-contrast colors like black, white, and red stimulate the optic nerves and help the brain build stronger neural pathways. In simpler terms, every time your baby stares at those patterns, their brain is literally growing. This set takes that science seriously. It's not just random cute designs. Every shape and texture is intentional. Whether you're in a quiet nursery in California or traveling across the country, these toys are portable tools for early brain development. Studies show that sensory toys can actually calm fussy babies faster than lullabies. That's right. The contrast and textures create a sense of visual comfort, giving your little one something soothing to focus on. 2. What's inside the box? A parent's dream kit. Alright, let's unbox this beauty. Right off the bat, everything comes neatly packed in a soft, reusable storage bag. A big win for any parent who's already drowning in baby gear. Here's what you get inside. Double-sided soft book. Each page features bold, black and white illustrations that grab your baby's attention. It's perfect for tummy time or crib play. You can flip the pages slowly and watch your baby's eyes follow along. That's visual tracking in action. 20 black and white flashcards. These cards are more than just pretty patterns. You can hold them up during feeding time, diaper changes, or even stroller rides. The goal? Build recognition and focus. Key early brain skills. Wrist rattles and rattle socks. Every time your baby moves, they hear a gentle sound. It's cause and effect learning at its simplest, and it helps babies connect movement with sound. Squeaky panda and plush rattles. These soft toys are perfect for tactile exploration. Babies love grabbing, squeezing, and mouthing, and that's how they build muscle strength and coordination. Wooden ribbon ring and maracas. A touch of Montessori magic here. The natural wood gives your baby a safe, organic texture, while the maracas introduce rhythm and sound play. Perfect for auditory growth. Sensory scarf and silver foil blanket. These are pure genius for interactive play. The scarf flutters, teaching your baby about movement and airflow. And that silver blanket? It crinkles and shines, stimulating sight, sound, and touch all at once. You can tell this isn't a random collection. It's a system. Each item targets a specific developmental milestone, from visual tracking to motor control to sensory awareness. But what happens when your baby actually starts playing with them? That's where the fun and the learning really begins. 3. Real-life playtime. How it helps your baby grow. Let's talk about how to use this kit step by step. Step 1. Tummy time magic. Lay your baby on their tummy and open the double-sided soft book in front of them. This encourages neck strength and helps them learn to lift their head, a key early milestone. You'll notice how the high-contrast pages keep them engaged longer. Step 2. Movement and sound attach the wrist rattles or socks. Every kick or wave now makes a sound, helping your baby understand cause and effect. It's a mini aha moment, and those moments matter more than we realize. Step 3. Sensory exploration. Bring in the plush rattles and wooden maracas. The mix of textures, soft fabric, smooth wood, gentle vibrations, introduces your baby to the world through touch. The more they explore, the faster they develop coordination and curiosity. Step 4. Parent-baby interaction. Here's the emotional side of sensory play: connection. When you shake the maracas, wave the scarf, or play peekaboo with the foil blanket, you're not just entertaining your baby. You're teaching them communication, rhythm, and trust. Every smile, coo, and giggle is your baby's brain firing new connections. That's not just play. That's bonding through learning. And yes, this set works whether you're in a New York apartment or a Texas backyard. All you need is a few minutes a day. 4. Busting the biggest baby toy. Myth now, let's clear something up. Not every baby toy is good for development. A lot of toys on the market flash, sing, and light up like a Vegas casino. Sure, they're fun, but they actually overstimulate newborns. Too much noise and color can confuse a baby's senses instead of strengthening them. That's why Montessori-inspired sensory kits like this one are so different. They're designed around calm, consistent stimulation, not chaos. Black and white visuals give clarity, textures give feedback, and gentle sounds give security. You're not just keeping your baby busy, you're helping them build a calm, confident foundation for learning. And if you've ever wondered why your baby stares at the ceiling fan or black outlines of furniture, this is exactly why. Their developing brain is drawn to contrast and pattern. This toy set simply gives that instinct a healthy outlet. It's proof that sometimes less is more, especially for little minds just starting to explore. 5. Emotional moments and real-world benefits. Let's be honest, the newborn stage can feel overwhelming. Between sleepless nights and endless diaper changes, finding time for educational play can seem impossible. But here's what makes this kit special. It blends development into daily life. You don't need a setup or a timer. Just lay down the foil blanket during tummy time, shake a rattle during bath prep, or flash a card while burping your baby. That's it. Small, consistent moments that add up to big developmental gains. Parents across the U.S. have shared how this simple toy set became their baby's favorite routine. Some noticed better eye focus within days. Others said their babies became calmer during bedtime or more curious during the day. And here's something truly heartwarming: the emotional connection. When your baby locks eyes with you while grabbing that rattle or following the scarf, that's trust forming. That's love in motion. For something that fits inside a storage bag, that's a huge emotional and developmental payoff. But we're not done yet, because there's one last secret inside this box that most people miss. 6. The hidden bonus: building future skills. Here's the part most parents overlook. These sensory toys don't just help babies see or grab better. They build the foundation for learning later in life. That visual tracking from the soft book? It's the early stage of reading and focus. The grasping from rattles and rings? That's pre-writing muscle development. The sensory awareness from scarves and blankets? That's early problem solving. So even before your baby can sit up, they're laying the groundwork for attention, coordination, and confidence. Skills they'll use for years to come. It's not just playtime. It's preparation for everything that comes next. One crinkle, rattle, and giggle at a time. So, what did we learn today? The ultimate black and white sensory toy set isn't just adorable. It's a science-backed starter kit for your baby's brain. From vision to touch to sound, every toy in this box has a purpose: to help your newborn grow, focus, and thrive. If you've been searching for a way to make tummy time more fun, calm your baby during fussy hours, or just connect in a more meaningful way, this is it. Simple, thoughtful, proven to work. And as every parent knows, those tiny moments of discovery are what make the sleepless nights worth it. If you found this unboxing helpful, Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with a new parent, and subscribe for more baby essentials that actually make a difference. Because next time, we're revealing the top Montessori toys every baby needs by 6 months. And trust me, you won't want to miss that one.